the seasonal stock and ETF report for today, August 9, 2022. Let's go to trade seasonals, and we see that Microsoft, United Healthcare, Walmart, J&J, McDonald's, Procter & Gamble is still on the top. Procter & Gamble used to be higher last week, but Microsoft was on the top of the list. IBM, as a short opportunity, is still there. Procter & Gamble is one of the shorter opportunities. It's from today until December 16th. It is one of my favorite stocks because it goes up pretty sharply for half of the year and sideways for the other half. Let's go and take a look at the other ones. Nasdaq, Microsoft is on the top. Of course, Costco is the second on the list. Shorter term ones, Adobe is now number 4. It was number 2 last week at some point. Adobe makes an average profit of 9.68% over the last 10 years. Let's take a look at the stats of it. Cumulative return was 120.92%. Let's go down and take a look at some of the shorter term ones. Cintas is now lower on the list, but it was higher last week or two. So we'll take a look at the bull short this time. Extra Energy on the top of the list with one of the highest Sharpe ratios, but last week Sharpe ratio was over 4. So the Sharpe ratio is slightly dropping. Average profit is still pretty high. I think it was higher. The First Financial Bank shares is the second on the list with the Sharpe ratio of 2.4. Average profit of almost 7%. Another good opportunity from today until November 7th. Let's look at ETFs. Anything changed in ETFs? Technology is on the top of the list. And then utilities is second. Utilities, 251-day opportunity. Returns last 10 years has been returning average of 9.84%. It lost in 2018. Here's a very short-term short dynamic oil and gas services ETF. Okay. An average profit of 3% in 7 days. That is very interesting. 3% in 7 days for an ETF is pretty impressive. With a Sharpe ratio that's above 1. Look at that. It goes down sharply. We have 16 years of data. Over 16 years, it's still valid. The only year that it went up sharply was 2011. The other 2 years, could have even taken 2% here before it went back up. So this is definitely a good short possibility. This is another short one. Metals and Mining Spider, 2.48% in 12 days. Another good one. Okay, that's it for today, Tuesday, August 9th.